I'm Dr. Roger, and this question is from the May 2021 International SAT Non-Calculator. College Board has given us the equation of quadratic, and they're asking for a solution. Given the answer choices, we know we will not be able to factor this. So we're going to use the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac, all of that over 2a, where a equals the x squared coefficient 1, b equals the x coefficient negative 12, and c equals the constant 23. Substituting those in, x equals minus negative 12 is positive 12, plus or minus the square root of b squared. Negative 12 squared is positive 144, minus 4ac is minus 4 times 23, which is minus 92, all over 2a, which is over 2. I write out my quadratic formula so I don't get lost or forget part of it. It's easy to forget the 2a in the denominator, and it's easy to forget that both the negative b and the square root are divided by 2a. I also write out my values so I don't plug numbers into the wrong spot, and particularly so I don't drop negatives. I'm good at dropping negatives, like the negative on the 12. This simplifies to x equals 12 over 2 is 6, and then plus or minus 144 minus 92 is 52, and that's in a square root over 2. We already know that the answer must be D, because D is the only one that starts with a constant of positive 6. But let's finish simplifying it. Square root of 52 is square root of 4 times 13, which is square root of 4 times square root of 13. Square root of 4 is 2, so root 4 over 2 is 1, and that leaves me 6 plus or minus square root of 13. And they're asking which is a solution. 6 plus 13 is the solution where we use the plus rather than the minus. College Board will often require you use the quadratic formula like this. Make sure you've reviewed your quadratic formula and be careful with your computations as you go. And come back soon for my next video. With math, there's always more.